Good morning, YouTube. It is day 2 on the Testarossa teardown, so we're going to see how far we can get today. I think we're going to start off draining out the rest of the fluid, so try and get the coolant out, try to get the gasoline out of this thing. So I had to go buy a giant wrench because the nut that's on the oil lines is massive, absolutely massive. I think Josh said it was 46 millimeter. Yeah, that's over an inch and a half. That's what she said. We're going to continue on with this, and of course, as you know, this entire series of tearing apart this Testarossa is sponsored by Ricambia America, so go visit ricambiaamerica.com. Use the code NGS10. You're gonna get 10% off your entire order. They are awesome. Go call them, get your order in. If you call them, mention my name, say NGS10 or whatever, they'll get you hooked up. All right, guys, let's get wrenching.
Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
All right, so I let the oil drain all night. It's still dripping just the tiniest bit. Basically, it's done dripping. So now what I want to do is disconnect these oil cooler lines. So these actually go to the oil coolers. We could probably disconnect them right here at the engine. No reason to disconnect them at the coolers themselves. Obviously, once we pop these loose, more oil is going to come out, so it's going to make more of a mess. All right, got this big sucker right here. It is a 46 millimeter. I'm just using a big crescent wrench. Oh my god, it's on there really tight. I'm gonna have to hit it with the hammer. There. Oops, shit. There we go. I made a little bit of a mess, not too bad. All right, well that one is drained. There's another oil cooler line directly above that one. So we'll try and get that one out. Looks like it's a lot smaller. It's like about 35 or 36 millimeter. Oh god, it's tight again. Man, these things were put on with Ugga Duggas. Nice. The fuel tanks are right here, and you've got the two fuel pumps right here. We're probably gonna be replacing these. So we're gonna drain the fuel. That's right here at this little drain plug. And hopefully I can do it without getting fuel everywhere, because then I'll smell. Oh, that's... This is the world's longest pee. We're starting to get full, so we've probably got a little more than 5 gallons. I'm gonna guess we have like 7 gallons in there, so I have to do the shuffle. Alright, fill up the second bucket. Hopefully, oh, it's starting to slow down. Alright, I think we're getting somewhere. That's what we want to see. Hopefully we're about near the end. And in case you're wondering, yes, I did have a fire extinguisher ready to go. Yeah, so don't worry. I'm being safe. Alright, so we're gonna disconnect the shift linkage. According to Josh, we should always make sure that it's in second gear before disconnecting it. That way the transmission's in second, we know it's in second, and the shifter's in second. And if anything gets wonked out, it should be in second. So it's just that bolt right there, I believe. Alright, we gotta get the parking brake off. It looks like we gotta pull this spring. Probably even like bend that little piece right there a little. And get that to come out of this clip. There we go, got it straightened out a bit. Bitch. There. Get that off. And now I gotta undo these double nuts. Alright, let's try this with some vice grips. I also sprayed a little bit of penetrating oil on it. There we go. Alright, so we're going to drain the coolant, which there's a 14 millimeter drain plug right here. Hopefully this is not the same crappy drain plug that's on the 348.
Oh, don't tell me.
Oh yeah.
God damn it.
Yep.
Did it break?
Thing.
Of course. They always break. 6 out of 5 times they break.
Did it break? I don't think it did. No, the problem is, where is the coolant going to come out? There's a line right here in front of the hose, or right in front of the drain plug. Oh, got a little bit coming out. See, I'll let it try and come out slowly. and not get hosed like Tim.
We got fucking. Did you get something in your mouth?
Yeah.
How did it taste?
Oh.
It's coming over there. Well, I made a mess, but not as much a mess as Tim. Kind of came out faster than I expected in a perfectly straight stream. I kind of thought it was going to be like a glug glug glug, but it was more like a pew. And well, anyway, obviously that's not all the coolant because that's all we got. So that's probably all that's just in that radiator. We obviously still need to get to some freeze plugs. So I'm trying to figure out where in the world those are, and maybe we could get those drained as well. All right, I'm gonna pull this. This is actually a cooling duct for the brakes, and it kind of is attached to the chassis over here. So we're gonna loosen up this clamp. I might just pull it off entirely just to get me better access. So might as well just get it out of there. Come on, you can do it. There. And now for the other side. There. Alright, we're going to attempt the other radiator and see if maybe we can not splash the camera. So I got the camera pretty far back, and maybe we'll have better luck this time. Oh, my face in the way. So I think that might work. Yep. Got me in the face. You bastard. Well, got drenched pretty good. This stuff tastes pretty horrible. That sucked. Alright, we gotta disconnect this hose right here. Okay, YouTube, that's all the time I got for today, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to visit my sponsor, Ricambia America. Go visit their website, ricambiaamerica.com. Use the code NGS10. They're going to give you 10% off your entire order because they are hooking you guys up. Also, don't forget, please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you guys want to get notified when these videos come up. I appreciate it when you guys do that. Share this video. Go post it on FChat. Yeah. well, we can start another flame war. Yeah. Well, we're going to keep on wrenching on this thing very soon, so you're going to want to stay tuned. We got a lot of cool stuff coming your way, so it's going to be sweet.